Hi friends, welcome to Taste with Us. Today we are going to make brinjal and raw mango burta. You can have it with kushka, khichdi, idli, dosa. It suits everything. Let's see how to make this recipe. In a cooker, add quarter kg of chopped brinjal, 200 grams of chopped raw mango, 3 chopped tomatoes, 200 grams of chopped shallots, 5 finely chopped green chilli, 5 finely chopped garlic, 1 lemon-sized tamarind soaked and dissolved in water, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, salt and mix. Cook for 5 whistles. Mash the cooked vegetables. In a kadai, add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, curry leaves, dry red chilli, a pinch of asafoetida. Add this tempering to the burta and mix. Delicious raw mango and brinjal burta is ready. Give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.